Welcome, everyone. My name is Jessica Stavenberg, and I am a Google for Education certified trainer and coach. I am also the co host to Google Educator Group NorCal in Northern California. Have you ever used Flex back in the day with your students when we were all trying to teach remotely during the COVID pandemic? Oh, it brings up such horrid memories. But today, we're bringing video creation back, and it's not horrid and it's not scary. Google Vids takes making videos into an easy and exciting tool. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Vids with your students to really amp up your teaching. Let's get started. You can access Google Vids in a couple of ways. You can go to Google Drive and click on New. You can also visit Google Vids directly from your browser by typing in vids.google.com, just like all of the other Google products. You might even have it in your waffle. When you open Google Vids, you will be on the landing page where you can quickly create a video with pre-created selections. You can format your video into landscape, portrait, or square. You can click record and just start recording. Access a template to help you with your creation, or even convert your Google Slides into a video using AI tools. Getting fancier with your video creations is easy also. You can access images, music, stickers, sound effects, and even GIFs right from the right sidebar. These stock images are royalty free, meaning that you can use them without worrying about copyright issues. Alternatively, you can generate your own images and music using AI tools along with adding in a voiceover, add an avatar. Are you afraid you will get tongue-tied in front of a video? You can use the teleprompter. So when you click record on the right-hand side, you can see that you can type in a script for yourself. As you're recording, you can read your script. As mentioned earlier, you can generate a song or image with the help of Gemini AI right from within the Google Vids. You can also access pre-created images and sounds that are royalty free, all from within that right sidebar of Google Vids. Need captions on your video? You can add stylized captions to your video. You can apply these effects on all of the scenes in your video or just to this current scene. Choose from styles that emphasize a word or a phrase to draw attention to an important concept or a vocabulary word. You can add a video placeholder on the top of a slide or an animation. Select a fun shape to hold your listeners' attention. Perhaps you're wondering, what is a scene? That's just another part of your video. In my video, each slide is a new scene where I have stopped the video and made a new one. You don't have to insert a slide. At the top, you can go to the scene menu and click add a new scene. You can change the background of your scene, add a transition between your scenes, and even add animation to your scenes. So how can you use this with your students? You could change your slide decks into a quick video for your students to review content before a test. You could also ask your students to respond to a question using video, or have your students create their own videos as a presentation. Once you assign a video to your students, the student can listen to the prompt and watch your video. Then they can add a scene to record their answer. They can even type their response so that they can use the teleprompter when recording their answers. The student can touch the red button to begin recording. They might need to click Allow to allow the camera and video on the Chromebook. Last, the student can submit the video that they recorded. The video should show up in the right-hand side of Google Classroom, and all they need to do now is to click Turn In. Thank you for joining today to learn about using Google Vids with your students. I am Jessica Stavenberg, a Google for Education certified trainer and coach. I hope you have fun making videos with your students. Don't forget to click like on this video and subscribe to my channel.